Hey guys, Tony here. So I just got confirmation that Churchill Capital, or CCIV, is officially merging with Lucid Motors on February 22nd. 100%, I do think that it's gonna run crazy on Monday. Easy money, easy money right now would be any outdated calls for current strike price. I think April 16s are gonna be pretty solid. They are pretty expensive right now. There's a big premium on them, but buying anything on Monday morning, shares, you'll be perfectly fine. But as far as actually purchasing calls, I think buying up 2, 3, 4 month out calls, it's easy money as long as you buy the actual strike. So right now, current CCIV price is $54. I think buying the strike at $55 right now, 100%, you guys are gonna be in the money within a month. 100%. I do think CCIV after this news is gonna run up easily to maybe $75-$80 within a month. It's gonna explode. A lot of people said that the valuation is high. I don't really give a crap about valuations anymore, man. We're in 2021. Valuations are stupid. Nobody cares about valuations anymore, man. I do think right now the easiest money you'll possibly make is buying current strike calls for CCIV 2, 3, 4 months out. And if you can't even afford these too much, you just can always buy a debit spreads, which is you up here on the right side. If you're using you're basically buying a call and then buying a call that's not necessarily in the money, but just cheaper than the one that you're selling. So a debit spread is on Robinhood is you hit select on the top right, you go to buy call, you buy the 50, and then you sell the $55 call. And instead of paying like $2,000 for one of those calls, you only pay $185. Take in mind that you will be your profit will be capped at about $500, which is the difference between the $55 and the $50 call. You will be capped at $500. Basically what it is, it's just you're capped at here, let me show you guys again. You are capped this way. You can actually make this it's pretty easy to kind of what is it called, to do the math, right? So the difference between 50 and 55 is $5, right? So that $5 is gonna be worth $500. So you can basically mark your profit based off of that. So if you buy a $50 call and you sell a $60 call, you're gonna be capped at $1,000, right? And the max profit you can make is $1,000, and what you're risking is $300, which is roughly like it's like a 3x gain right there, right? And obviously it goes higher the higher up on strikes you go, but it obviously gets more expensive, right? But just letting you guys know, Churchill Capital, CCIV, is officially merging with Lucid Motors. And easily, I do see this stock running up like crazy for the next month or so. I do think it's going to run up like crazy on Monday. I don't think it's going to stop. I do think it's easy money, especially if you're buying shares. I might actually sell my big C position at a loss and just buy Churchill Capital because I think it's going to run up for like the next month or so. There's no reason for me to think that it won't. I might buy like 20K worth of shares for this, and then I'll probably do like $10,000 worth of calls for like 2 months out for a current strike. That's how, I don't want to say confident I am about this, but I think it's an easy play that you can probably make out like a bandit on this if you play it right and correctly. So I'll see you guys later. I'm letting you guys know exactly what I'm probably gonna do on Monday, and then we'll kind of go from there. Bye guys.